In the age of viral foods and molecular gastronomy, sometimes the world's most basic staple food gets taken for granted. Sure, rainbow bagels are fun for the gram, but to me, nothing beats the allure of a perfectly baked baguette or a sourdough fresh out of the oven. That's why I set out to find the most legendary bread in New York City.
Hey guys, it's Spencer, and today I'm at Orwashers Bakery. This place has been making some of the most legendary bread in New York City for over 100 years. Today, the owner, Keith, is actually going to show me how they do it. I'm super nervous because I don't cook. Let's go!
Orwashers was founded in 1916 by Abraham Orwasher, a Hungarian immigrant determined to bring quality Eastern European breads to his local community. Since being sold to its current owner in 2008, the business has expanded to 2 brick-and-mortar locations, plus a massive wholesale production facility, which makes bread for some of the biggest restaurants in NYC.
This is definitely one of the best bakeries in New York City, and it's our favorite bakery on the Upper West Side.
Which one do you love?
Peanut butter honey.
Peanut butter honey.
I'm Orwashers. Don't eat it.
Okay. You want to eat it?
No.
Okay, it's all yours.
To learn how Orwashers makes its legendary bread, I met up with owner Keith Cohen. His award-winning baguettes are mixed every morning at 5 a.m. and rest for over 24 hours before being shaped in the molder.
Is it typical to shape the baguette with a machine instead of by your hand?
It is. I mean, for a home baker or a very, very small bakery with limited space, you can easily do it by hand. This is a very efficient way, and for this particular baguette, it works very well.
Okay, I feel like I kind of want to try one
Go ahead.
with my own hands just to
I think
see if
you
I can
can.
beat the machine. I mean,
Actually, you know what? We're going to have a contest.
okay, I love a good contest.
We're going to have the super experienced baker, the mediocre baker, and the novice.
All right, so I got my flour.
Right.
Now oh, it has a bubble.
That's okay.
Oh,
That means there's still air in the dough. It's great. You wanna
Oh,
pop
I
it?
don't want
It's not
it.
gonna
I
be
shouldn't
like,
pop it.
It's not going to be like the bubble wrap. You're
I
not
wanna-
going to get the same amount of joy out of it.
I really
you want
wanna
to try
pop
it? Go
it.
for it.
So I'm just gonna.
You're going to start from the center.
Start from the center.
And work your way out. You're doing better than me.
Well,
And then we're going to bring it over the couche. Okay?
the couche.
The couche. Flip my disaster over. It's just like, and now I think John will come over and also try his
Yeah,
hand
John,
or
get in
hands
here.
at it.
Oh, he's gonna really
gonna
show
show
us
us
up
up.
right now.
There's many ways to shape a baguette. Many different ways. This is one of them.
Wow.
So, same thing, just go onto the couche.
He made 3 in the time it took us to make 1.
Yes.
But we have to see how they come out of the oven. I mean, it's all about the finished product.
You're correct.
And a lot can happen in the oven if I've learned anything from baking
That is
shows
correct.
on Netflix.
These are some more handshake.
Ah!
I can tell.
Yes, you can tell because they look not nearly as good as the ones from the machine.
Now that it's cooled down, why don't we see the inside of our handiwork?
Yes.
Okay? And we kind of know these were ours.
Yep.
Why? A little bit longer, a little skinnier. You can see the stretch marks. You can even see the flour.
Look at that.
Ta-da!
Wow, still
So-
beautiful.
That is a combination of many things. Our mixing technique, or less mixing, hydration, and fermentation. But you did a great job.
And this actually isn't it because this is just one small part of your operation, right?
That is correct. You think you're tired now?
Just wait.
Just wait till tomorrow.
Although most locals think of Orwashers as a neighborhood institution, the massive wholesale production facility is the real heart of the operation.
You know,
So-
the hairnet's a really good look on everyone.
I really like it. It reminds me of Lunch Lady.
Exactly, that's what you're giving me right now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Well,
working
in a couple
it.
of years, I don't think I'll need the hairnet, so that makes things a little easier.
Let me look.
Great.
Ta-da! Pose, pose. You ready?
Yep.
The factory is split into 3 separate areas for mixing, shaping, and baking.
Much like yesterday, we are mixing in a far bigger mixer. This could make a lot of bread, a lot of dough.
How many loaves do you think you'll get out of something this size?
Well, I mean, right now we're mixing a couple 100 pounds, so you could essentially get probably 150 loaves.
Lot of dough.
Once the dough is mixed, it makes its way into the shaping room. Before the shaped dough is ready for the oven, it makes a pit stop to the humidity-controlled proofing room.
Here you go.
Whoa! Oh, it's like a sauna in here.
Well, not quite. I mean,
I feel like this is good for my pores, though.
So that is one of the secrets why our product is so good.
After proofing and fermenting for various amounts of time, depending on the type of dough, everything eventually makes its final destination into the oven room.
Right, so you have your deck oven and your 3 convection ovens or rack ovens, and this is where all the bread is baked, and then we move it a little bit over to cool it.
So I have a question for you. At what point does dough become bread? Is that in the oven?
Well,
I know it's kind of a very heady question.
It starts from the time you mix it, okay? It is once that yeast is added and that organism starts to eat the sugars and starches, it is from the time of acceptance, really.
After 2 full days of nothing but bread, I was exhausted and blissfully carved out. But that didn't stop me from taking one for the road.
How about this guy right here?
Perfect.
Is this mine? I can take him home with me?
It's all yours.
Fresh out of the oven, baked bread just for me. Oh my God, that's amazing.
Pure heaven.
Can I try that last little
Yeah,
floop?
take that and just put it right in the middle.
All right, now floop is a technical term for it, right?
Fold or floop, I'm not sure what
You
floop
wanna,
is, but
it's the same thing. Yeah, no, it's real. You should look it up.